Good evening, class. Mr. Stribble here. Today we will be talking about how to solve inequalities. So solving inequalities is exactly the same way we solve equations. The only difference is there's an inequality sign instead of an equation, but all the steps are the same. All right, so I have two problems on the board behind me. You will find these two on your review work as well. So they should help you get going. So the first one we have is x plus 5 is less than negative 5. So x plus 5 less than negative 5. So the first step is we have to figure out what the operation is. So we're doing addition. The next step is to do the opposite. So instead of addition, we're going to subtract. And just like equations, we got to do it with both sides. Subtract 5, subtract 5. All right. 5 minus 5 is 0, so those cancel out. Less than, and then negative 5 minus 5 is negative 10. So x is less than negative 10. All right. The second problem we have is x minus 2 is greater than 4. All right. So again, figure out the operation. We're doing subtraction. So we do the opposite. The opposite of subtraction is addition. So we're going to add 2 to each side. Add 2. Negative 2 plus 2, they cancel out. Becomes 0. And then 4 plus 2. We have x is greater than 6. All right, so that's pretty much it. You will have some problems where you have to get the answer and then match it to a graph. So let's use, if my memory serves me correct, that's going to be one that you have to match the graph to. So it's going to give you 4 choices. From Wednesday, you can eliminate most of your answers right away by looking at the symbol. Remember, if it does not have a line under it, your circle has to stay open. So you can get rid of any answers that have closed circles on this problem. So here, first step is put a circle above the 6, and then your symbol's greater than. The greater than goes to the right, so we'll just draw the line that way. And that's what your answer is going to look like. Pretty straightforward. There's a copy of notes beneath this video. If you have any questions, feel free to send me an email and I'll help you out. Take care.